Okay, we're back here. As we did, we took a pullback trade. We were down just a little bit. We made a full recovery. We're in the money. Trading two contracts. I really want to make another four tick target. There was an EET here. I wanted to stop the video, so I wasn't able to catch the EET. We had quite a few EET winners. This one didn't fill. This one was a winner, but I was short the pullback, if you recall from the last video. And here's an EET here at 87 and a quarter. Could bounce up, and its target would have been the four ticks I needed, but unfortunately I was working the video, so I didn't get it. But because we are in no NSC zone, we still will not be taking the next NSC. So regrettably, working the video, I missed that EET. Looks like I'm about ready to hit another four tick target. EETs, like I said, even though they're a more aggressive trade, they're a good trade. Okay, when you come into no NSC zone, EETs typically outperform. And even though I made a call to make the pullback trade, you still saw EET that it didn't fill, so I can't say it won, but had it filled, it would have been a winner and a pullback. So that's a good opportunity to see in real time. A lot of times you won't see that big spike. You will get the fill. And winning EET and a winning pullback. So back to that subjectivity, both one of those trades would have won had they both been filled, right? So I'd like to go over that. So EET fills, but 87 and a quarter still hasn't made its profit. I'm still waiting for my next trade. Need to make four more ticks. And I like to show these videos when I'm down, right? Been putting a lot of videos up there showing me being down a point or 2 points or so. I think there's one out there with 3 points. Because we do take losing trades, and you're going to take losing trades. And as a trader, a day trader, you need to expect to take losing trades. And it's all about what you're going to do after you lose. Are you going to panic, or are you going to react? Are you going to be responsible? You're going to know the rules. You're going to have confidence to follow the rules and to recover. That's what it's really all about. So I like to show these videos of losing trades as well, so you get a clear picture. Don't want anyone to think in their head when they're done watching my videos or reading my website or talking to me on the phone that we make 100% winning trades. Nobody does. Okay, anyone tells you they do, it's my personal advice to run for the hills, because you're going to take losing trades. Okay, it's going to happen. You should expect it to happen. But if you've got a good set of rules to follow and you got a good trading plan, you can come out. You can lose, you can take drawdowns. Drawdowns are going to happen. You can take a 2-point, 3-point, 4-point drawdown, recover, and still make a daily income. Okay, we had some great Dow trades that I'm not even showing, that were up over 40, 50 ticks just trading the Dow today as well. But that's irrelevant. We're trading the S&P, so we're going to talk about the S&P. So at this point, we are still waiting for the next trade. I'm going to probably go ahead and pause the video and wait for something else to happen. It's kind of getting slow, so I'm going to pause and come back here when something compelling happens. Okay, we're back. That EET we missed, unfortunately, ended up being a nice winner. Never hit its stop loss, hit its target. We missed it. That's okay. We may take the next EET, see if we can grab 4 more ticks on that one and wrap it up. It's assuring to see that, though, you know, the system work. Even though you missed a trade, I know if I wasn't playing around with videos, I would have had that trade and I would have had my profit. So even coming out of recovery, we had some great trades. We had a lot of good EETs, and I'm not trying to really push the EETs, but right now that we're in no NSC zone, we're gonna stick with the EETs. Unless we get some strong conviction, then we could possibly take a pullback trade like we did at the beginning, or we could take the next NSC after we come out of no NSC zone. So as of right now, we're not out of no NSC zone. So an EET would be my next potential trade, unless this market really blasts up. So if we get a EET signal log going at 88 limit order, see if we can get filled. Hasn't happened yet. Just go for quick 4 ticks. That would give me my profit for the day from coming in from a recovery standpoint. Made a recovery trade and like to make a profitable trade. Like to do it on this video. Hopefully we won't have to pause again or stop the video. We'll see if this happens. If not, we'll just have another video. So again, there's a long NSC right there. That's an avoided trade. At some point, it's going to break out. One of these NSCs are going to be a winner, but we don't know that. So we don't know when. So we avoid it as these trades, these NSCs, have a higher percentage of losing than they do winning. That's why we don't take them. And the idea behind the EET right now is that if this trade loses, it'll turn back around and give us a short NSC. Well, by the time we get the short NSC, that's still a trade we wouldn't take, but we'd have already had 4 ticks target off the EET. That's why it's called an early entry. It gets you in the position of the next NSC after it happens. Let's jump in at 88. I'm slowing down here. 88.75. We're risking 3 ticks on the trade to make 4 ticks. Pretty good risk reward on this, right? We're in no NSC zone, so we're expecting this market to move back down. Could bounce right up, stop us out, have a small loss. Not the end of the world. We all take losing trades, right? It's all about the discipline. It's a defined risk. We realize that even though the EET is aggressive, I like the EETs when I'm in no NSC zone. So we'll see if this thing wants to turn around here and give us a quick 4 tick target and let us go home with a nice profit. If not, we'll lose 3 ticks and we will have to continue on with our trading, recover again, and then make our profit. Sometimes that happens. You have to kind of go back and forth, right? You win a little bit, and like right here, we were up, now we lost just a little bit. Well, we got to continue trading. Okay, that's a fact of life when you day trade for a living. You're not going to win every trade, and if you let it get frustrating, it will. You know, you're so close, you just need a few ticks and you take another loser. If you let that get to you, you're going to do yourself more harm than good. This is a fact of life, taking losing trades. It's, in a sense, I'm glad you see me taking losing trades. But now we're going to recover and we're going to make some money. So I'm going to stop the video and move on to the next one.